If you have an idea already of the end coating or specific areas of the part that are critical, make sure those are called out, especially if you've got a part that is tightly toleranced and you're not really calling out what areas are important to you. Someone that's looking at it could be like, there's no way we can maintain this in our process. And so the more detail you can give on the product is with aspects to where they have flexibility in design, or if there's no flexibility at all, that is a huge help. And having specs, for example, coating. If you have a spec for a coating, you could share that. That always helps too.
Yeah, I think that's a huge thing, is when there's a specific call out for a certain product you have to hit. That's a big one, because when we do a lot of our coating too, it's going to be a standard powder coating. But if there's anything special, or there's a special process that needs to go through, yeah, make sure that that's called out on there, because it could double, triple the price depending on what the specifics are on that spec.
Yeah.
Yeah.